Hi, welcome to Fungies. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for creating an account with us. This is how your dashboard looks like. So here you can see how much sales you have made, how many signups your web store has, how many orders, sold items. This is the first view of your dashboard with the Fungies web store builder. Now you can sell your game keys if you are a Steam PC game developer, or you can sell your in-game assets or in-game app purchases if you are a mobile games developer. So here on the left side you can access the website builder. If you don't have a website for your game, we offer a free website builder. You can build the website for your game for free, that is mobile responsive, it is running well on all devices, and you can arrange your website as you wish using our no-code solution. So using our website builder you can be able to build the website for your game with no coding involved, and so that is the first major thing. It's everything is free, everything is no code, so you don't need any developer to in order to set up the website for your game. And now, if you wish to sell your games or in-game app purchases, you can do this. You can do here with our tool too. So with the website builder, you can do many things. You can arrange the products as you like. You can add different page sections. You can set up your store style, such as primary color, as you can see right here. You can set up the background. You can use our templates that we have developed for you. There are 15 of them for now, but we can add more soon. And on the left side you can also change, of course, the logo of your website, the store name, title, description, as well as footer, links such as social medias, other columns, as well. As you can see here, every time I click something, there's a new section to be added. You can easily add them here using our tool. Once you are done, remember to save the changes, and if your website is not, or web store is not published, remember to click publish, and then the web store will be visible for the public, as you can see right here. So you can of course set up your own domain in the dashboard. I'm going to show you how in a couple of minutes, but yeah, just let's go over quickly how to add your games right here on the left side. As you can see here, here's a button, add game. Remember to add the image, name, description, the trailer for your game. You can use this trailer as your cover image for your game product details. You can add the genre that your game has, the goal bar for your game keys. Remember, it is 100% legal to sell your Steam keys. Steam does distribute 5,000 keys for you to sell on your own store. You can choose a tag here, the platform. You can sell Steam keys, Origin, PlayStation keys, Nintendo, GOG, Epic Games keys, as well as define your systems along with system requirements right here. Here you can also set up the price for the product, and you can then manage all the games. If you're an indie game developer or PC game developer, you can manage all the games in one place. What's really cool about our web store solution is that you can see all the emails that your users or your buyers have registered with their store. You can see all the orders that have gone through the store, along with how much we earn. We earn only 5% plus 50 cents per transaction, so we don't have any paid plans on a monthly basis. We only take 5% plus 50 cents per every transaction. And now in order to pay out the money, you need to go over the Stripe onboarding process right here. You will have your Stripe account, and then all the money that's gonna come from the end users or the buyers, they're gonna come to our Stripe account and then immediately paid out to your Stripe account. And then from there, you can manage your Stripe account in the dedicated dashboard, and then you can pay out that money to your bank account or immediately to your credit card. So also from the left side here, you can set up the name of your workspace. You can set up if the store is going to be publicly available, and then from here on in domain settings, you can set up your own domain for your store. Now, webhooks are something for mobile game developers in order to communicate with your mobile games backend. Every time a user does a transaction on the web store, this package of information will be sent to your mobile games backend, so that you can recognize that transaction and reward that player with certain in-game assets. In order to add the mobile in-game assets, you go to game assets, you add project, which is your game first. Let's say this is a game 2, for example, and then from here you can add your new asset, be it virtual currencies such as gold, gems, virtual items such as sword, shield. You can set up your SKU, your pricing, and then you can start selling those in-game assets via your store. Once you are done, visit your store. From go to store at the top of your page, you can see how beautiful the web store is, and let's see how it how you can buy these games right here from the user's perspective. There's a search function, obviously, with autocomplete. And this comes out of the box for your web store. So let's try to make a transaction right here from the end user perspective. You can just add the game to your cart, and then the cart shows up. You can buy the Steam keys, or you can buy in-game app purchases through this web store. And there's more than 250 plus payment methods available via our integrations. The taxes here are automatically calculated, and depending on the user's IP, the taxes will be collected by us in appropriate regions, countries, so you don't have to worry about any tax related reporting. We do that on your end, and as you can see here, there are local payment methods and also credit card, Visa, buy now, pay later. So there's a lot of options right here. So once the user buys the game from the website, she can log in right here and then view the game keys, or see what items were purchased from your mobile game. So that's all. This is really quick getting started guide on how to start your web store for your Steam or your mobile games. Thank you so much, and visit our help.fungis.io for more detailed information on how to start your own web store. Thank you.